Hair Lounge community, it's Angelina here. I thought I'd hop on here and show you guys how I tone my hair. Stay tuned and we'll get right into it. If you enjoy learning about hair, click the subscribe button and the bell to get notified for all my new videos. For toning my hair, I will still be using the Paul Mitchell color line. I will be using on my ends, which I want to be lighter than the rest, 10BV, 10V, a little bit of clear and processing solution. So these two, it'll be half and half. I will do a 1/4 ounce of the clear and then equal parts processing solution to my color. Then throughout my scalp, I will be using 9V and 9BV, 1 ounce of 9BV and a 1/2 ounce of 9V with equal parts processing solution. I just finished highlighting my hair. As you can see, I just shampooed it. I did not put any conditioner on it, and I figured it might be a great time to show you how you can apply toner to your own hair. I already mixed the toner, and I'm gonna go ahead and take this towel and wrap it around my neck. That way I don't get color or toner on my clothes, body, even though I am wearing kind of a cape, smock, whatever you wanna call it. This will at least kind of protect that too. So I have my 10BV and my 10PA for my ends with clear right here in this side, and then I have my toner for my roots. I'm gonna start with my ends first, that way just in case the darker color drops at all, it's not gonna mess up my ends because it'll be kind of protected from the actual light color that I already have on my ends. So I'm gonna kind of get messy with it and just use my hands. Sorry, I'm kind of mixing it back together. With this Paul Mitchell toner, it's a gel consistency. So it doesn't really drip tons, which is good because sometimes toners, if they're not a gel consistency, they do kind of run all over the place. So this, I'm just raking it through my ends. I don't have a ton of blonde through the back section. If you watch my previous video, click right here. It'll take you to how I foiled my hair for my highlights. But I don't really put any in the back. So I just focus it really on the front. Go on to this other side. Again, this is just the formula for my ends. Then I'll take that hair that I've foiled on my crown, doing that on my ends. Now I'm gonna take the other formula that I mixed, the 1 level darker, for my roots or my regrowth or the hair closest to my scalp. This is just 1 level darker, so there's not gonna be a ton of difference, but just enough to where it matches a little bit closer to my natural color. And I'm just kind of tapping it in around my hairline, on my part, and then using my fingers as kind of my comb to rake it through. When I do this on myself, not recording, I normally will do it in the shower. I take a little hand mirror in there and I just stand in the shower and just kind of apply it. Still with the 2 different colors, but it makes it a little easier because then you don't have to worry about it dripping on yourself. But I figured I'd hop on this way, that way you guys can kind of see, just in case you want to tone your own hair. This is good if you feel like your toner has worn off and purple shampoo or blue shampoo just isn't doing the trick. Sometimes you just need to put a toner on. The toner, when you put it on wet hair, it's kind of more of an opaque look. So it's not gonna sit on as long, maybe 5 minutes, maybe 10, depending on the results you're wanting. Make sure we get all those hairs. So I kind of got it all the way around my hairline and on my part line, and then that back crown area. Pull a little bit more through. Now I'm gonna just kind of blend those two colors together. So by doing that, I'm gonna have to kind of section my hair and then just feather it into the rest. Again, this is easier to do in the shower. Leave a comment down below and tell me if you have ever toned your own hair. And if you do, how do you do it? One nice thing about doing it this two colors is it blends in a little bit better. If you watch my highlight video, I did more of like baby light, so it has a little bit more of a lived in look. So this color that I'm putting closer to my scalp is gonna be a little bit darker or deeper than the stuff that's gonna be on my ends, but it's exactly the same tone, so it'll blend super nicely. And a toner will last a lot longer, add shine back into your hair compared to, say, the purple shampoo. If you've noticed and you've used purple shampoo on your hair at home, it can be drying. So this is a nice alternative to kind of keep it shiny and feeling super, super soft. And it lasts longer. Normally a toner will last you, depending on how often you shampoo your hair, 4 to 6 weeks. Again, I'm just kind of blending those two colors into each other. Then I'm going to take the lighter color and just apply a tiny bit more. I want to make sure I'm really saturating my hair. That way it all gets colored. One nice thing about Paul Mitchell's PM Shines is that gel consistency, so it really soaks up into your hair, so you don't have to worry about any of the uneven spots. Now I'm gonna just let it sit on and process. Like I said, it's probably been on about 5 minutes, so I'm gonna let it process maybe another 5, and then I'll shampoo and condition. I will shampoo it again, even though I did shampoo the bleach out, just because sometimes I feel like if I don't shampoo this particular toner out of my hair, it doesn't really come out as well as just rinsing it. So I do like to use just one pump shampoo and really kind of suds it up and get all that toner out. And then I will condition. Again, if you want to know how to properly shampoo and condition your hair, click this link right here and it'll take you to that video. That's exactly how I'm going to shampoo my hair, but I'm just not going to show you, so watch the video. I'll be back and I'll show you the final finished look with toner. And here is the final toned look. As you can see, the roots are a tiny bit darker and my ends are a little bit lighter, but you can't even tell that they're two different colors because the tones are very, very close to each other. I hope this helped you and maybe you can tone your hair at home in between your colors. We'll see you next time. Bye.